What's up guys, back here with another video today, and we got a little bit of a surprise. Alright, so what's up guys, for real this time, and yeah, so remember what I told you last video that I had something coming in for the fenders to fix them? Well, it's finally in. I ordered these a while back and now they're finally in, so let's take a look at what it is. Alright, and here they are. So, what I ended up getting was the RS1 full carbon fiber fenders from Fly One Motorsports. Hit up, his name is Sebastian Gomez, and he'll get you hooked up with all the right carbon. With all the carbon needs you need, he'll hook you right up with that. So yeah, hit up, if you're looking for anything carbon, hit up Sebastian and he'll get you hooked up. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to take them out the box. I'm going to show you guys. I got them laid out on the sofa right now. And here's the first look at them. So yeah, so like I said, these are the RS1 vented carbon fiber fenders from Fly One Motorsports. Like I said, if you need anything, hit up Sebastian. I'm not sure, I will do an install video on these. That'll be coming out in the next couple days, I guess, whenever I get the time to do it. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way they look. The carbon fiber looks amazing, like you guys know. Well, if you don't know already, go ahead and check out my video. My other video I have on the carbon fiber covers. I got those I actually imported those from Japan. These fenders came from California. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with them and I can't wait to get them on the car. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video guys. Just kind of want to show you guys the fenders. I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you again. And so I just wanted to show you guys the fenders and let you guys know that there will be an install video coming for them. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.